Hey guys, it's Nicole. I'm back again, and this time in the kitchen, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a fun, healthy snack that's vegan, that's low calorie, that's easy to make, easy to prepare, and everyone in your family should enjoy it. So let's get started. All right. So here I have my handy dandy and trusty popcorn maker, and you can pick one of these up anywhere. It's like $30. What I'm going to do is, usually comes with a measuring cup, and you're going to do about half a cup of popping corn, and put it right inside. Make sure you secure the top to the top, and you turn it on. So 1/2 a cup yields this much popcorn. So the next thing that you're going to do is start to transfer your popcorn into something that you can easily shake it up so that the ingredients can be evenly distributed. So I'm just going to use a brown paper bag. And sometimes you might not want to use all of the popcorn that you made. Just go ahead and transfer this all into your brown paper bag. So at this point, what I'm going to do is put 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil on the popcorn. Put it on top. And I go ahead and shake that up. Okay. Make sure it's evenly distributed. And just so that you can see the beautiful finished product. Make sure you get all those pieces. Now, the good thing about this snack is that not only is it low fat, not only is it vegan, not only is it super inexpensive because popping corn is very cheap, but the best benefit of it comes from the nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a natural source of vitamin B12. And as most of you know, vitamin B12 gives you energy. And for those of you who are vegan, you might lack the amount of B12 that you need in your diet because you don't consume meat or dairy products. So this not only is healthy, inexpensive, but it also gives you that energy boost that you need throughout the day. Kids love it, it tastes great, and it's a great snack if you're dieting or if you're watching your weight. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you try this recipe and give me feedback. Let me know how you like it. All right? Bye, guys.